Hello YouTube, welcome to this video. I'm going to run you through how to read fault codes and erase them using the AP200. This is a Nissan Xtrail T30 2002 model. I recently changed the power steering pump and did some service on it and a few other works, but after that the engine check light came on, so I'd like to go through and see what the problem could be. So this is the actual video of the AP200. So I've already connected the VC. I've already connected the machine on the car. So yeah, it's pairing. Okay, you click on Nissan, then it's loading diagnostic system. So you can choose auto select.
Try automatic selection.
Then you read. So when you choose auto select, the vehicle VIN number will be read, but at times Nissan gives problems, so it doesn't go through. So let's wait and see if it's going to go through. It's a Nissan Xtrail. So it's trying to read the vehicle identification number, so it's failed. So what you do in this case, you go back and choose manual selection, then where the vehicle is manufactured, so that's Japan. Select Japan there, then look for the vehicle. That's Xtrail. So you just scroll down until you find the vehicle. That's Xtrail. Then the model is T30. So you click on T30. This normally happens for Nissan. For Toyota, it just goes directly. It reads the. So this is the information for the vehicle. Then you go to diagnosis. Then you can select the control unit you want to work on. In this case, it's engine. So I've selected the engine. Establishing vehicle communication. So you wait for it to establish the vehicle connection. Takes longer sometimes. Okay, it's gone through. Diagnostic system initializing. Almost done. Okay, so here's the information. So you go to read codes because we want to read the fault codes. So it says ignition signal primary, oxygen sensor, heater, bank 1, power steering sensor circuit. So I changed the power steering pump and I removed the coils, so that's why we have ignition primary and oxygen sensor plus the power steering up sensor circuit. So now I need to erase this fault code and see what happens. So you go to escape, then you go where it says erase fault codes, then yeah, so all codes have been erased. Let's see what happens now. You go back to read fault codes. So oxygen sensor is back, and just checked it. I found that one cable is cut, so all I need to do is to connect it, then this fault will go. Let's see what happens when you go to live data. So under live data, you click live data there, then you wait for the, then go to all signals, because you don't need to leave out any. Yeah, so we start the engine. As you can see, the RPM, engine RPM 1225, it's coming down. There's coolant temperature 38 degrees, oxygen sensor. So oxygen sensor, here it says the signal is going to the sensor, but there's no feedback from the sensor. The battery voltage is 14 volts. Then you have all these parameters that you can check. Steering signal, ignition switch, heater fan, brake switch, ejector powers, ignition timing 17 degrees and 40 DC, push valve, air condition relay, fuel pump, cooling fans. Then this is my area of interest. The oxygen sensor here, it says off, showing that there's no power. If you try to check there, there's nothing that's coming. So that's the cause of the engine check light. So once connected, that error will go. So this is basically what the AP200 can do on the engine. It has many other things that you can do on this vehicle. Escape, go back to the ECUs on the vehicle. So escape, and then again. So you can do transmission, ABS, airbag, for these BCM, sonar, AVM, motor control, traction control, meter, all these things. So it's quite a good tool, and I'm really enjoying using it. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment for more.